Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you to my returnees. So guys, in this video I'll be unboxing makeup mirror lamp. So it's a little ball. I I'll be sticking it to my dressing mirror. So that is it guys. So I'll be sticking it to my mirror, my dressing mirror. So that anytime I'm making doing makeup or making my hair, it will be easy for me to use. So it's just like a ring light. It has different colors guys. So please guys, I'm sorry if you heard any, if you hear any noise in the background. Is my doctor. She's playing around. So guys, let's dive into unboxing. Guys, let me open it and see how it is inside. So this ball, this is a ring light ball because of my hair. So it's very nice guys. So I'll be using it to make my hair or makeup, so you can use it anything you want. So guys, let me open it. This is really nice. So guys, this is the sticker. So this sticker, after cleaning your mirror, you can stick this ball to this sticker to your mirror. So here is the where you can off the light and on, and you can also change the color of the light. It's just like a ring light, but it's nice guys. So the light is, the ball is 10, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 up 5 down is 10 pieces, and the wire is very long. Yeah, it's very long guys. This is really good because sometimes I do sit down on my dressing mirror to make my hair or to make up. So guys, so that's why I bought this, to support my ring light. See, you can use it to round your mirror. So me, I have a round mirror, so I'll be using it to round it. So any shape of mirror you have at home, so it goes well, and it's affordable guys. So that's all. And my second unboxing is my wireless microphone. So guys, I have this over 3 months now, and I've never used it. So I said, okay, let me unbox it together with this mirror makeup lamp. So I'll be unboxing it now guys. I've not used it, it's just a new one. See, so I've not used it. Sorry for the noise guys. So one fell down. So it's 4 pieces, and this is the microphone, wireless microphone. So yeah, yeah. Said I've not used it before. It's my first time. Okay. Wow, this is nice. So you know, practice made perfect. So I'll be learning how to use it. So I've not used it before. It's my first time, as I've said earlier. So that's all guys. So I'll be fixing the lamp, the So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video. As you do so, God bless you. Thank you guys. Thank you once more for your support and for your love. God bless you all. Bye. So guys, let's do the second one. So you can see it's very nice, guys. So let me show you guys very well. This is so cool. See guys, so nice. Sorry for the noise. So thank you. I think what we put here. I think I need to take my time to do this. Yeah. Okay, this will be too long. So guys, I have already fixed one here. As you can see, I already fixed one there. So I'll take my time to fix the red, because it will really take time. So I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, I'll be fixing the rest off camera. So let me show you guys. Look at it's very long, so I have to take my time to fix it. So I don't want this video to be too long. So see you guys, let me finish it and I'll show you how I